Welcome to the Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Please join me every Monday through Thursday from 8 to 10 o'clock each and every night. You can go to SK Trading YouTube or My Fund of Futures YouTube, and I host the Asia session for My Fund of Futures. Also, if anybody would like to contact me, you can just text me your full name and email, and I will give you a 5-day free trial. Or if you just want to call me or text me, and if you need any help with the markets, that's my personal cell phone number. All right, so tonight we're going to talk about single stock futures, and they're coming out July 27th, and I think it's going to be a game changer, especially with the patterns that we see during the day. Today, for example, we had big sells on Microsoft, on Tesla. We caught the shorts, and even on the morning, we had some really big moves that were happening here on individual names like NVIDIA. We got the big buy reversal on the 60-minute time frame. I'm going to show you how to use the ADX on the 3-minute when all the time frames are aligned. Apple, big push up into the negative MACDs, dropped roughly about $1, almost $2 at the end of the day. Again, learning how to trade divergences is exactly what I teach here during the day. So let's just get right to it. So first of all, let's start with why I thought the market was a solid buy this morning, okay? If you look at the MACDs today on the 30 and 60-minute time frame, you can see here. All right, so when we got the push down today, the S&Ps were trading on the low 74.70. Okay, so we rallied sharply off that. One of the things I recognized coming into the morning was when the S&P futures, I saw the MACDs positive on the 30-minute time frames. So what I said was, okay, I see some buy divergences. So when we made the new low here, especially on the NASDAQ right here, you can see here's 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Here didn't make a new low here, but here we made the new low right above the 29,000. On the S&Ps, it was the 30-minute. On the NASDAQ futures, it was the 30 and the 60. I said, back up the truck. They're not breaking 29,000. You were deeply oversold on the 30-minute time frame into a positive MACD right here. Okay, and then you got the wicked rally. You ran almost 470 points in literally 30, 60, 90. Look at this right here. Look at this. That's 400 points in 2 hours. So again, understanding how to use these divergences and bigger time frames really helped me. Okay, if you look at AMD this morning, AMD pushed up today. Great short. Look at this short here on AMD, right? For 522.98. I was offering, I sold already at 520.90, and I was about to put more at 522.90 before it dropped sharply. So you can see here on the new high right here of the day that you got the push up, but guess what? You can see the negative MACD on the 60 and the negative MACD on the 30. Okay, if you look at NVIDIA this morning, NVIDIA had the complete opposite. NVIDIA pushes down. My friend was long puts. I said to him prior to the opening, I would cover your puts and I would look to go long because of the fact that why? You had two time frames, a 60-minute and a 30-minute time frame, 195.06. Never seen that again. So you got the push down here on NVIDIA off the bigger time frames, making new lows. The MACDs could not confirm. Bingo, right there. Okay, we saw buy reversals in Broadcom today off the 60-minute time frames. Look at this beautiful pattern. You can see the ADXs are rising on the 60 and the 30. MACD's positive. And then what do you look to do? Boom, you buy the pullback right here on the 15, Broadcom, below 83.5. Look at this rally, $12. And you count the bars on the pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars. So again, if you're going to trade single stock futures, this is the way I think. Instead of buying Broadcom, you could buy the single stock futures, which come out July 27th. So this, to me, is a magnificent opportunity, just like when I was with the CEO of the CME some many years ago, and he was discussing about bringing out the micro E-minis for futures, and I said, it's going to be a home run. And then what happened? The micro E-minis came out, then the prop firms started coming out to give people an opportunity to trade if they didn't have real capital. Okay, so these single stock futures to me on patterns like this, and what other things I'm going to show you here. If you look here on Microsoft today, Microsoft, beautiful short. The 60-minute reverses to sell right here. What do you look to do? You short the bounce on the 30 minutes, so between 384, 384 and a half, and then kaboosh down about $1.90. So imagine selling a future on a stock instead of an option, which will lose decay. This you could intraday trade and carry it forward, or because there's no when you're trading futures, there's no decay as an option would if you held it overnight. Okay, now how many people could afford to trade Microsoft? How many people could trade a lot of these names because we've run up so much and look at the price action? However, the most important thing is what? Okay, to be able to trade these names with the least amount of capital. And these futures, I believe, are going to be a complete game changer. Today, I spoke to the top CEO of a member firm, and I echoed exactly my thoughts. And he said, I totally agree with everything you stated. Okay? All right. SanDisk, I'm going to show you another great pattern here. So SanDisk, you can see here, the MACDs are positive. The 30-minute time frame is bullish. The 15 was bearish. So you're in what's called a sell disconnect. But it doesn't mean you cannot have what? A buy divergence in a sell disconnect or a buy divergence in a negative trend. In this case, a sell disconnect. And what happens? Boom! Look at this push down on SanDisk into a positive MACD on the 60, on the 30. Okay, look at the 15. Okay, 15's right here, a little slightly negative, but look at the 30-minute time frame. Oversold, okay, into a positive MACD. The ADXs are off, and now look at this. You're going to get a big buy signal tomorrow. SanDisk has rallied from the mid 400s all the way up about 300 in 2 days from a deep oversold condition off the daily. You can see here the daily deeply oversold. You're getting, a ton of overhead resistance here, but I'm just saying for a trade. But if you look here, you can see the 30-minute time frame oversold, and you can see the bounce here. 1591 rallied about 130 points here. Okay, Broadcom AVGO, you can see here reversing to buy on the 60-minute time frame. And what do you look at? Oh, I showed you Broadcom already. Sorry, I'm losing my mind here today. All right, the spiders reversed to buy on the 15-minute time frame, and I knew then that the lows were in for the day when we got the 15 reversing to buy, and then when the 30s reversed to buy, now I knew it was 100% chance that the lows were in. And then what do you look to do? You buy the pullback on the 5, and then you buy the pullback here. You can see here at 130, and then here we got the pullback here around 245, and we pushed up maybe about 10, 12, 14 points on the S&P. Now the big question is the 30-minute or the 60-minute time frame is going to reverse, but we'll see, because the 60-minute time frames have a lot of problems here. You can see you're going to get overbought into these negative MACDs, even if we gap up. They're not going to confirm. So tomorrow, as I get into the second segment, I'll be looking for shorts on the spiders. Okay. Also, look at Nvidia. I want to teach you this. You can see the 60 reverses to buy. The ADXs are rising. The ADXs are rising on the 15. You can see the big buying pressure. The ADXs are rising on the 30. Okay, then you get the buy signal here on the 5-minute time frame, which is called the double blue buy. Right here, you can see the ADXs are rising not only on the 5, the 15, the 30, and the 60. The MACDs are positive, the big buying pressure. You see this little bull flag right here? Well, guess what? If I go to this time frame, when you have an ADX rising on all these time frames, you have to resort to buy on the 3-minute time frame. The 3-minute time frame picked it up, okay, and it rallied. You can see the rally here below 199. You can see the rally here of almost $2. Then you can start buying pullbacks on the 15, okay, especially with the ADXs rising. So again, whenever you have rising ADXs like that, you're not going to get a pullback on the 5 initially. The 3-minute time frame is why I love the 3-minute time frame, because it really acts as a way to use with the ADX. So keep in mind of that. Let's see, Apple here. Again, you can see Apple pushing up here to new highs here. The MACDs could non-confirm on the 30-minute, but if you look here at the 60-minute time frame, you can see what happened here. New highs, non-confirmation, absolutely kabooshed, 314.82, absolutely kabooshed here, down about $1.80. Okay, so I have so many more things to show you here. Okay, Apple, I saw here, boom. Okay, so, but with that being said, this is exactly what I'm talking about, how single stock futures will help, and I firmly believe will help change your life going forward, especially if you learn how to trade these patterns. Okay, when I get back, I'll tell you what I expect for tomorrow. So for tomorrow, let's see. The big question is that are the S&P futures going to rally 20 points to get the 60-minute time frames in buy mode? Even if they do, the negative MACDs, the non-confirmation, I think the market's going to run into a brick wall here. And I think the same thing with the NASDAQ. The Russell's got the same pattern. The Dow's got the same pattern. So I think the negative MACDs on the 60-minute time frame are going to give the market fits. However, if we do get an oversold condition on the 30-minute time frame, the MACDs are positive on the 30 and on the 15. So I expect the new low or any push down to an oversold condition to be short-lived. I think the market's going to be in a range tomorrow, and that's exactly what I expect. And I think I'm going to be right. Okay. All right. When I get back, I want to talk to you about the most important thing in trading, which is the complete mindset to have an open and clear view and not let any distractions. Focus is success. So I talked to so many traders today, and so many people are saying that they ask me what my routine is. My routine is when I wake up in the morning, I check a couple stocks. I have no opinion of the market. I look what the index futures are doing. But when I walk in through that door, as I told you many times before, I do my little shtick. I do what I got to do. And then from there, what do? I get ready for the day. I start looking at the bigger time frames. I start analyzing where I think things are going to happen, the what if scenario. If this happens, am I ready for it? If that happens, am I ready for it? Where are the divergences, buy and or sell? Okay. So the mindset, the preparation is everything in trading. And you got to really take care of your health. You got to really be able to have the focus, the understanding. And yes, trading is hard, but again, every single day you want to inch to learn more and inch to get better along the way. Yesterday, someone I told you called me, he had a bad day, didn't lose a lot, but was down. I just spoke to him just now. I said, how are you? He goes, oh, I killed it today. I said, trading is about understanding that every day can be great. However, I was given a gift by the good Lord where all I want to do is achieve greatness every single day. Win, 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 win. A lot of green every day of the month. That's all I really care about. How much, it doesn't make a difference. As long as I win, it's all I'm happy about. And that's all I really care about. Thank you for joining me tonight on The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Please hit the subscribe button. Please leave a comment. If you'd like to join my community of traders from all around the world, please go to my website, sktrading.live. Sign up for the Complete Trader. If you like to follow me on social media, please follow me at official Stephen Kalayjian on X, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Again, I'll be hosting the My Fund the Futures Asia session tonight from 8 to 10. So please watch me there on My Fund the Futures TV or SK Trading YouTube. We do give away 10 giveaways for prop accounts. Anyway, if you also like to contact me, you can text me or yourself. You could text me at 914-500-7484. And if you like a 5-day free trial, just text me your full name and email. I'm happy to give it to you. Just give me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. Thank you for joining me tonight. God bless you. God bless our troops. And God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.